Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to use your phone as a wireless microphone for your PC and plug it straight into OBS. Now let's get started. First, grab the OMic app. You need it on both your phone and your computer. On your PC, open your browser and search for OMic. Then go to the official OMic website. The links in the description. Then download the Windows driver and the OMic desktop client. Wait for the download to complete. Open your downloads folder. Now install the driver. If it throws an error saying another version is already installed, just close it and move on. It's fine. Then install the OMic exe. Click through the installer, select your language and then click install. After both installs are done, restart your computer. This ensures the driver loads properly. After that, open your phone and open the Play Store or App Store. Search for OMic. And download this free app. Okay, after the restart, open the OMic desktop app on your PC and the OMic app on your phone. Here is the key thing. Both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure that's sorted first. Now, on your phone, tap the start button and tap allow if your phone asks for permissions. Then tap this icon. You will see an IP address on the screen. On your PC app, click connection, then connect. Make sure you are in the Wi-Fi tab and enter the exact same IP address shown in the mobile app. Hit OK. You should see it say connected. That's it. You are linked. Now let's plug it into OBS. Open OBS. In your sources panel, click the plus button and select audio input capture. Then give it a name and click OK. In the device drop down, choose OMic device and click OK. And that's literally it. Your phone is now your microphone, live inside OBS. No cable, no extra gear. Super simple setup. If this helped you out, drop a like, it helps a lot. And subscribe if you want more stuff like this. See you in the next one.